My dear children, let's see a new lesson in 10th Social Science, a geography lesson, the Indian climate. India has tropical monsoon type of climate. This is because the great part of India lies in the tropical zone and its climate is greatly influenced by the monsoons. The word monsoon is derived from an Arabic word mausim, it means seasons. The main factors which influence on the climate of India are location, water bodies, relief feature and monsoon winds. Climate season. In India climate season can be divided into 4 seasons. That 4 seasons are the winter season from December to February, the summer season from March to May, the rainy season from June to middle of the September, the retreating monsoon season middle of the September to November. Let's see one by one seasons. First of all, the winter season. During this season, the rays of sun fall vertical over the southern hemisphere. India gets oblique rays of the sun. January is the coldest month. The Dras near Kargil has recorded the lowest temperature. Dew and fogs are very common in the winter season. We can see the Dras in this map. Next season, the summer season. During this season, the sun's rays fall vertical over the northern hemisphere. Hence, the temperature is very high. It is very hot, dry and sultry also. Ganganagar of Rajasthan get 14.4 degrees Celsius of the highest temperature. In this time, we can see the convectional rainfall in some part of India, and it is called in different name. Andes in Uttar Pradesh, Kal Baisakis in West Bengal, coffee blossoms in Karnataka. Next season, that is the rainy season. It is also known as the southwest monsoon season. Here, the high pressure over Indian Ocean, hence it is called as the southwest monsoon also. There are 2 branches of the southwest monsoon. They are Arabian Sea branch as well as the Bay of Bengal branch. The Bay of Bengal branch causes heavy rainfall and the Mawsynram of Meghalaya receives highest rainfall in India. Next season, the retreating monsoon season. In this time, a low pressure area developed over the Bay of Bengal, and it is also called as the this monsoon called as the northeast monsoon. It resulted in tropical cyclone in Bay of Bengal, and it resulted in damage in East Coast. Next, distribution of the rainfall. Low rainfall region, it is less than the 50 centimeter rainfall, and it include a few parts of India. Next, another distribution, that is the area with the medium rainfall. It means from 50 to 100 centimeter of the rainfall. Another area, that is the area with the heavy rainfall, it from 100 to 50 centimeter of the rainfall. Thank you children. I hope you understand this lesson. Thank you. Thank you once again.